So I'm here at the Gippsland Vehicle Collection, and this is a club that I'm also a member of. And I need to have a bit of a chat. If you're a member of this club, come in and throw a couple of dollars over the counter. They have to replace this roof. It's asbestos sheeting, and they've been raising money for quite some time. They raised over $500,000, which is just over half of what they need. The roof is now getting to a point where it can't wait any longer, so they've actually taken a loan to fill out the other portion of that cost. That also means that just after Christmas, so I think the start of February, they're going to close for around about 6 months while they do the roof replacement, and that's for the betterment of everyone. However, this is a stunning collection, a stunning museum. Absolutely get down here, check them out, especially over the Christmas break. Loans are not cheap and interest stacks up, so definitely come and help these guys out. We would be without them. I wouldn't be able to do my 6-wheel drive content and possibly the 4-wheel drive in the future. So my club registration depends on this too, and as does most of my videos. So definitely come and pay some attention to the Gippsland Vehicle Collection. We'd love to see you down here.